In fact, if you have a selection that might need to be adjusted, you can still do that. So from here, I'll take this polygonal lasso tool, and I'm still gonna go around the edge of his head that looks a little weird. And I'm just clicking, 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 really nice, very smooth across that line where I want this to be smooth, okay? Double click, and then with black in the background, and I'm on the mask, I just press delete. Okay, and that just brings back that selection. Now, nobody's gonna be zoomed in this much, but if you wanna do a little bit softer, you can go around the edge there and just kind of clean that up a bit. Okay, but what do I do about this hair? That's the hardest part to get. So in this case, we just go to this mask, we double click it, and then the select and mask panel opens, as you see here. Over to the side, we have this refined edge brush tool, and I just carefully go through here, make my brush a little smaller, use the brackets on your keyboard, and I just go over this here like this. And it will just kind of bring that out. Now, this may not work great,